Okay, y'all, I'm gonna show y'all how I fix my nail when it's broken like that. As you can see, it's pretty much really gone. But anyway, I go ahead and get the Kiss, well, any super glue or work, well, not super glue, but nail glue. I'm just gonna drop it on my nail. And just drop it right on the part that is broken. And then I pick up a brush. This brush looks a mess. And I just dab it on like that. And I also squeeze the part that needs to be glued down. And I let it dry, and then I go ahead and add my acrylic top coat that I'm almost out of. Looks like that. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and jump into a paint with me edition. No idea what color I'm gonna do my nails. I'm gonna go ahead and let that dry. But yeah, I'm gonna come back at another angle, guys,